Hello everyone, it's Dipisha Pandit from 7 here to demonstrate physical change and chemical change. So here it's a burner and we will be burning magnesium ribbon to show how chemical change works. As the magnesium ribbon burned and it's turned into ashes, it's chemical change because the change which changes the chemical value of any object like it's not reversible and it changes the chemical value. For example, if the magnesium ribbon is burned, it turns into ashes. Like this, chemical value is changed. And for some examples, burning wood, eating an apple, it all changes the chemical value of an object. So now let's move on to physical change. So for physical change, right here beside me there is I'm boiling water to demonstrate physical change. The change which changes the physical appearance of any object, for example color, texture or shape, is known as physical change. Some differences between physical change and chemical change are: physical change is reversible, whereas chemical change is non-reversible. Physical change is temporary, whereas chemical change is permanent. Physical change forms no new substances, but chemical change forms new substances. So that's the difference between physical change and chemical change, and I hope you understand my demonstration and makes you clear about the topic. Thank you.